Hello, it's me, Nat the Queen. So, cameraman, quiet. Or girl, camera girl. That's my sister. Anyways, today I already did the front. Zoom in. I already did the front. I'm going to show you how to achieve this look. Jessica, the camera girl, is having a birthday party next week, and the theme is like glow in the dark, 80s theme, you know, all of that good stuff. So we're going to do, I'm going to show you how I got this look down here. This look on the back, so you can do it, you know, if you want to customize your shirt. This is Kylie's little tutu. So what you're going to need, I got this from Walmart. I think it was like $2, $3 the most, whatever kind of colors you want. A plastic knife and a fork. That's it. So I'm gonna open the colors that I want to use, which is pretty much every color besides this last one. Okay, so I'm opening up every color that I want, and you're going to take your fork. This is not a fork, this is a knife. Take your knife, dip it in, and then you're just gonna splash everywhere you want color. Splash. Try to get your first drip to go there so you don't have a big splash. So you're just gonna take that knife and just splash it everywhere. And on spots where it was like big like this, I just took the fork and dragged it. Okay. Clean off your knife. Same thing, different color. Make sure you lay down plastic. You don't want to mess up your countertop or wherever you're doing this at. Okay. Next color.
Why are you still making my shirt?
Because it has to look cute. And I'm responsible for making sure it looks cute. Orange. I like how the orange looks so much.
I like pink.
I'm sure you do like me.
I like pink and purple. It's the same color. It's not the same color. It looks like that.
Can y'all stop covering Rebecca? Okay, and Kylie's color, pink. I don't have a favorite color, but it wouldn't be pink if I had one. Okay, so you can put that down. Now, to do like the little sliding effect, you're going to take, I like to take the brighter colors. I take the fork. This is water-based paint. You could disregard you could throw your fork away when you're done if you don't want to keep it, but you could just wash it. But dip it in. See, it looks like that, and you're just gonna drag it. So, drag it like that. Just gonna take another little piece, put it on the sleeve part, right here, and drag. And over the top. Orange. Make sure you make it drip until you see no lines in between. And then you're going to do the same thing. Drag it. There. Let's do it again. Put it right here. Drag it. If it comes out a little fat, you can just flip it over and do it again. And let's take some pink because it's Kylie's favorite color.
This is my favorite color. It's my favorite color.
To the front. So make sure you get all of it to drip off so you don't see nothing between. And you drag. And you can do one right here. And drag.
Mommy, why is there green on?
Even though down here is not really going to show,
Mommy,
but
why is there
let's
green
do
on this thing?
let's do one blue.
And then it's blue right
Right. There. And that is pretty much it.
You like my shit, Mommy?
Yeah, I did it, so I better like it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. This is the final look. We gotta wait for it to dry. I will post more videos on the full outfit. She has a cute tutu and everything to go with it. So if you want more videos on like cute little how-to,
Mommy.
drop comments below. And thanks for watching. Bye.